So, reached our accommodation at long last. We walked the 3 miles from Towyn station to here and up a hill. It was hell. I mean, I run regularly, I run up hills often, so it's a bit more tame for me than it would be even if I am carrying suitcases, but we're all here, we're all fine and dandy. Are we, guys?
Yeah.
Yep, I'm zooming in by mistake there, but yeah, we're all well. Jack's enjoying a smoke, as he is one of those.
Oh, I need it, mate.
And he needs it after that, exactly. But absolutely 200% worth it. I mean, this is amazing. I mean, if I was here in the winter, this would be great just to wake up to. So, like, just to see the sun come up to this would be a scene and a half. So, I can enjoy this while it lasts. Look at that, we just caught an engine on the Talyllyn Railway from the view of the house we're staying in.
Barely see it.
I've got it zoomed in, and I can actually see it really well.
I see the saloon coach, a few coaches.
No, we heard that! Hey! We heard that!
That's our first in-person sighting of any Talyllyn locomotive.
That was a lucky find by me, thank you very much.
Yes,
Well
thank
done.
you.
There we go, just got some more footage of it there. Would you look at that, eh? Talyllyn Railway from our accommodation place.
I wish we'd brought some binoculars. That would be fantastic.
Do you reckon they'll have some in the shops down in Towyn?
Oh yeah, there's all sorts of...
Sorry, I'm catching that. Like, that is just brilliant to catch on camera.
Oh, yeah.
There it goes again!
Hey! We're like white people every time the plane lands.
No, we're British people every time.
And I think Jack just fell over by the sounds of things.
One too many beers.
It's that Welsh beer.
So it's Saturday now, and we're on our way to Towyn, back from Towyn, from our hotel. Well, our accommodation. We're sort of about 2 miles out from the town. If you saw the view footage that I put there, but we're enjoying ourselves, aren't we?
Yeah. Absolutely. Nearly there now. Less than half a mile.
Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. We're in the Towyn town limits, so we're not too far from it at all. And we've got that amazing view we got there. As I showed, we can even see the railway from our accommodation. So
which is a plus.
Exactly. Yeah, we can hear it as well. We hear the whistle sounds. Sounds like Scarlowy all the time. So, well, it's Dolgok, isn't it? We've seen. So we think yeah. So we'll just see what we get when we arrive. So this is a cinema that we passed in Towyn on our way last night, and this is just beautiful. So as a moviegoer, there's very much Royal Mail vans in the way, but get out the way, Royal Mail van. But yeah, it's there's the cinema up above, and it's very much a good sight of Towyn indeed. I mean, I'm a City World goer, but that's awesome. So we've all made it, all 4 of us. 2 of them are there, filming. Jack is just further down there on the shot. Exactly, we're all here, we're finally at the Talyllyn Railway.
My heart rate is actually increasing.
I'm actually shaking a little. I mean, it's just a great place to be, I think, having never been here before. It's just worth it. And we've got our coordinated numbers. I'm number 4 representing Peter Sam because I'm wearing green, Boba Fett counts. And Joe is wearing number 1 to represent Scarlowy. Luke has a red as well, so he's got number 2 for his shirt, and Jack has blue to represent Sir Handel, number 3. Aye, so basically Tywyn Wharf, that's where we are. Bringlass is near about where we're staying, so that's good. It's
just started raining again.
Yeah. So we're inside the railway now, and this is quite a sight indeed. I mean, there's so much to look for that I'm gonna just show in a minute. They'll just be seeing on screen right now. This is just amazing. It's like you just come to that one place you just want to go to in your childhood, and you're finally there. Yeah. So I mean, some of this is amazing. Just some of the things that I've seen. Yeah.
Oh, camera is at the ready.
Oh, here it comes.
tongues? Oh, it's tongue roll. Oh, hold on. Ivo Hugh, actually. Oh, fantastic. We've got the same Oh, that is it.
Jesus, that was loud. I will you. The fact they've even labelled it Reverend W. Awdry.
Running around the train here. There he goes. Good job,
So we just seen Ivo Q come in, and that was quite a sight. And we're on our way to the other side now because we think we found Unlucky Tug. No, we think we found him. So we're gonna go and hound him if we find it. If we found him, and definitely have him.
At least I'm not right near it when that happened.
Did it give you a heart attack?
Oh, look, there's the popper.
No second. The rain has started to hit, but Ruston's coming in. So, yeah, I've come to the tent and I've just bumped into Unlucky Tug.
Hello.
One of the
Hello.
highest Thomas and Friends subscribers on YouTube, I think. Well, there's a lot of Thomas theory in that, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Thomas and Friends debunked?
Oh yeah.
Isn't it?
That's
So-
one of them. It's Awdry's finest.
Yes, that's
Yeah,
it.
all of them,
Oh, watch
yeah.
all of that. And I'm looking forward to your Series 4 video, that's for certain.
It's on the way.
Yes. I'm guessing you're here to get stuff for it.
I'm getting a lot of footage. Yeah.
Yeah, photos.
Stuff, yeah.
And that makes enough sense when you think about it. But yeah, I mean, that was one thing I noticed you put a tag for it, and I was like, oh, I'm getting you here as well. So
Yeah.
I thought I'd at least get the proof that I've met you for my channel. So yeah, that's Unlucky Tug. Subscribe to him, his link's down there below.
Oh.
As well as usual bloke Luke, who's there as well. So this is the so this there is sort of the pop-up pub that we got going on.
Yeah.
And that's about where it was. And people have got their own little train tracks stuff to show out there. So yeah, including that little Swan rail set down there. So some more trains lined up along here. So yeah, I'm only sitting from behind, but I'll come around the front. Lego and or mainly across the line, across the board. But that is great. It's a former Lego Star Wars collector.
Oh, right, so you appreciate the art.
Oh yeah, I mean I don't collect Lego Star Wars anymore, but I've still got some old sets at home. So I got the Jabba's Palace and the Rancor pit from about 10 years ago.
Okay.
And
And the brewery engine that we now.
the coffee pot at the end there. Not bad. That's right.
Trying to
It
fix
even
it.
has the accurate bottom. I love that. That's
If
great.
only I had a saw, I wanted to cut that bit off and then stick it in there and then I could actually have the valve go back.
I don't have a saw, sorry. Unlucky Tug just examining some stuff.
Because the screws come out, the screw keeps coming out because it's not sealed.
Bit of paint maybe.
To be honest, what I might do, because I'm not sure if we're running now.
So yeah, we did bump into Unlucky Tug, and Luke here actually got recognised by him.
I got recognised by the guy who inspired my channel.
Exactly, that's always good, that. I mean, that probably would be recognised by mine, Sith Lord 229, but yeah, we're coming to the refreshment room at the minute, where it's quite packed at the minute, but
I don't think we'll get through, guys.
no. I think we're going to look for the museum and head in through there, which I think was further down anyway.
So you can get like hot food and actual meals here.
Just put the camera in there. So yeah, this was the main line.
On the picnic.
So this is the main line that we came down to come to Towyn. Tywyn Wharf is just a bit further up there, and all the way down there. But yeah, we came all the way from Shrewsbury.
I just want to be able
And
to
got off the train here.
He basically sort of inspired my channel revamp. So
Yeah.
So this is just a stock engine for William Finlay. This is William Finlay, who they've got there, and you can actually go on the footplate, as they say. So I'm just doing a quick film around of it.
I still think that looks like a miniature Captain Baxter. Maybe it's a flat getting.
And we've got Joe's who's coming on board. Who's the driver? Who's the fireman?
I'll be your fireman.
So where he's going?
Where are we going?
Where are you going?
We're going. I can't pronounce any of them, to be honest.
Well, enjoy your journey, guys.
Thank you, and you.
He goes, opens the smoke box to look back. And yeah, this is how it works.
Right, well, they did a kettle some more. Somebody went down. Before they came in and stole something. I saw somebody taking photos of all the...
So yeah, this is the footplate of the engine. I mean, it feels really old-fashioned as well, and you're here. So you have your driver standing here, holding on, and guiding, and Joseph is just filming from there. You just get your window ahead, and you see the trains. Look at all the basic controls they have as well. The brakes. And this is great. Different controls on there. So, yeah, just a little guide on there. So you want to just tilt your heads and pause the video, viewers. You can have a little look at that and see what it says.
number and name plates.
Yeah, sort of like that. Now that there is Peter Sam's special funnel. He's of course the episode and story special funnel. After his old funnel was knocked off by an icicle. After the accident in trucks. And there of course is a basis engine right there. So, yeah, rough pup. This one here is one without a full cab. Sort of very similar to the designs for Scarlowy and Renace in the books. Very old engines. Because they didn't actually have cabs at first. But then afterward, they had cabs installed later on. Scarlowy did in the story, Renace didn't for a little while, but they did. They've got their wheels down there, and this is just fantastic, isn't it? And rough pup said there, and just the maroon livery of this.
Having that pair of extra wheels.
That's the inline in the background.
Yeah, they have to drag us out. It's a coffee pot. What do we do with a coffee?
Look at these. This is just...
Are those the mountain engines?
Oh hey, I didn't know he was involved in a. Didn't realise, Luke. I didn't realise he was involved in a sort of quarry type thing.
Robert Williams.
But yeah, I mean, this is just.
Something about the mountain engines around.
There's a classic signal. If we would look at that, the Awdry Railway. Which one's this one going to be?
This is Dot.
Dot.
That's
What is it? What these are?
So we think we're just about to enter the Awdry Exhibit, and we've just found what looks like an amazing display, and I'm looking at it now. It's so really something.
Some of them are sort of kit bashes, some of them by scratch built, some of them are 3D printed.
So we've got James, we've got Gordon, we've got Henry, we've got D199. Not too bad. Bill and Ben in the background over there. And then there's Bulgy, the double-decker bus. Display there. There's one of my favourites there in the background, Duck, along with Oliver. And of course we've got Scarlo and Renee to the side there.
I've already donated a couple.
There's a few tiles there for these guys who have just made this amazing display. What have they got?
Jump out your way.
So of course this is a recreation of the Reverend Awdry's own study, where he would have written the stories. Just down there on the table right there, some copies of his books. Twin engines featuring two of my favourites, Donald and Douglas. Duck of the diesel engine, Edward the blue engine, very old engines, which is part of the base around here. And zooming back out, there's a picture of Peter Sam. I believe this is Edward Thomas repainted to be Peter Sam, which is there. And then up there, of course, we do have pictures of the man himself. The Reverend W. Awdry, a great person marking literature history, and that is beautiful. Reverend Awdry, 1911 to 1997, with his steam engine knowledge, the creation there. And on the side there, we do have his Sodo map, a 3D illustration. And up on the top there, Thomas Clough with Old Bell artwork. It's alright, that. And this is just fantastic. Absolutely amazing. From the 3 railway engines all the way through to tramway engines. This is perfect.
Thanks very much for coming.
You guys take a picture first?
Thank you very much.
So we just ended the exhibit. Farquhar branch, that's it. That was Thomas's branch line, which is known as the Farquhar branch, just down here. And that is just it. Yeah. And there's the man himself, Thomas. background, they're playing some of Mike and Junior's classic music. What's up, try to get a picture of it. I'll just go up to the front. So there's the Thomas model. There you go. And the little blue tank engine prepares for his return journey. Here, of course, is Annie and Clarabelle. Back there is Mavis, who is a BR Class 04 with cow catchers and side plates. And then, of course, Toby, her best friend. And this is just... Of course, they're playing classic Series 4 on the TV there with the sound, and I'm not going to fill up too much because I don't get flagged, but that is the episode Bulldog from Series 4. So yeah, these are the model faces that we used on the engines, like for the actual show. Like, it's actually something. And the Ertl models back there, and of course the engines, the box, all around there.
I see, yeah. I love that I've seen bricks of this. I love that they gave Spong tiny little ones.
Spong and Darwin. Spong is essentially one to one. The Kennys and the Edwards.
The refreshment lady.
This is I know everything here pronounced in Birmingham, but Scotland, 5 to Birmingham.
Yeah.
I always thought that Birmingham, the last game was stand. You can get really over scale.
This is we were going to see one here from like perspective. I know how to drive a stick, or I can know how to drive on the left side of the road. I cannot do both of these. I cannot do all of my things in a way I was not ready.
And the problem is that dropped on automatically down and I want it!
No, you just gotta cruise along, baby. Simple as that.
There's Thomas himself. Up on here, this is the Scarlowy model from Series 5 of Thomas and Friends. Featured in the episodes Duncan Gets Spooked and Krusty in the Boulder and Snow. So that's really good there. And on the side there is Talyllyn. And there goes a bit outside. And that is Tim Dunn, who's going to be reading the lectures. And over there is Duncan, which is one that the visitors have the opportunity to drive. So if he's running again tomorrow with a little Spitfire livery on there, be able to give him a ride. Duncan's sporting blue this weekend, as opposed to his usual yellow. It's the Fat Controller.
So this is Edward Gordon and Henry.
Yes, the 4th episode. 4th story.
Damn, that's pixely.
Yeah. Hurry, hurry, hurry.
How many pixels are in there?
Triggly trot.
Because
Triggly
Are you looking to find all the missing dukes?
No, I've just realised what it is. It's that they're all different colours.